Hello guys, and welcome back to another video on my channel. As you can see, today I'm recording the audio with this microphone, which I ordered from AliExpress like 2 months ago, and you're gonna find the link on the description below, the mailbag video when I receive it. But this video is not about this microphone, it's about AmpCap Nelson Pass amplifier. But with this occasion we can test the sound of this microphone, and please guys, let me know in the comment below the comparison between this video audio sound and the other videos audio sound, and let me know which microphone worked better. Now let me point the camera on my working bench and find out together the progress on AmpCap Nelson Pass amplifier. So guys, you remember this kit that I say that I would like to put this one inside the AmpCap Nelson Pass amplifier as the input selector. So the reason why I don't do this one, because a few days ago I was looking on my stock of my boards and components what I have around, and I find this board which is the best for this amplifier because it's using a rotary switch with 4 steps and has same 4 inputs, 4 relays, which is the best for this purpose. And this one was using just pushy button and to go through inputs, and then you cannot select the one that you want straight away because you need just to press until you get the input that you like. So that's why I find this one and I use this one. So far also I connected, here you can see the balance, it's already connected with these wires, and just I need to connect all the inputs and to match the same PC and the inputs that is show me on the panel over here. Let me show you. So see, I have these steps that is show me on the panel, and the same is marked on the back panel over here. So I need to match these inputs and to connect through the preamplifiers, and also to pass through these relays in order that I can select the inputs. So let me do this connection and we're gonna continue then with the video. So far I connected already the inputs. I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's stereo, so for one channel and for the other channel. So this is one channel here, the red. This is the second channel, the black one. Third channel is the white one, and the fourth channel is the yellow one. So now I need to connect the output from here to these 2 inputs over here, and then the output from here we're gonna go to the volume port, and from the volume port we're gonna come to the inputs on here. Okay, so far these connections are also done from the input RCA goes straight away to the preamplifier. The preamplifier output goes to the input selector. And from the output selector, I need now to connect a wire to the volume port, and from the volume port come back to the tone control side of the preamplifier. So this is done. So let me now measure the cable up to the potentiometer and coming back here. And after doing this, maybe also we're gonna give a test to see how the input selector work, and to see also how that sounds. Okay, so I'm done with all the soldering, and you can see these wires from the potentiometer, volume potentiometer, come to the input selector and to the tone corrector. So now I'm in the first steps, and in the first step over there with the switch, let's have a look if it's working. So if I turn on, and then if I touch the cable here, I should have some signal. So I can see there is signal. So let's move to the next one and swap the cables to the next one. So I can see also here we have signal. Let's move to the next step and move to the next step, the input. I can see also here we have signal. And now the last one, I need to move to the last one. And I should have also here signal with a bit lower amplifier, because as I say, I have some preamplifier that amplify low, and there is some preamplifier that amplify more. So now we should be alright if I put all together and I connect my mobile, let's see, and put some music. Let's see how that sounds. So stay tuned guys, because the next episode is gonna be when I'm gonna do this kit, which is the microphone preamplifier would echo, and I can do like a karaoke as well, because as we can see here in my amplifier I still have one potentiometer, which is echo, the two connection for the two microphones, and the volumes for the two microphones. So it will gonna be stereo, separate volume from one channel and separate volume from the other channel. So stay tuned, please subscribe, activate the notification bell, like that you'll not miss the next episode when I'm gonna start doing this kit and installing on this amplifier. So I connect my mobile to the amplifier. I have those speakers and I am recording now on stereo, so this one recording this channel and this one recording that channel. So let's play the song and see how that sounds. That was the balance. That was the volume. That is the bass. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please support my channel and help YouTube algorithm giving me a like. And if you are new watching my videos, please subscribe, activate the notification bell, like that I will gonna see you on my next video. And for now guys, have a good day and bye bye. Nice.